Imagine reaching your clients instantly with the perfect property listing. Texting is the most effective way to capture attention and start a conversation. With BoldTrail's platform, you can send MLS listings directly from your desktop. Filter listings to match your client's specific needs effortlessly. Send personalized MLS listings to one or multiple contacts with just a few clicks. Ensure your clients receive the most relevant property information. Imagine the ease of sending tailored listings that resonate with your clients. BoldTrail's platform simplifies this process, making it seamless and efficient. Your clients will appreciate the personalized touch. Use the AI-powered Smart Assistant to craft compelling text scripts and share MLS listings. Automate your communication while maintaining a personal touch. Studies show that personalized texts receive the best responses. BoldTrail's AI ensures your messages are both engaging and effective, leading to higher client satisfaction. Encourage clients to explore properties on your website. Start meaningful conversations that lead to successful transactions. By using BoldTrail's texting feature, you'll enhance client satisfaction and drive sales. Recap: we've explored how direct communication, targeted listings, and AI can transform your client interactions. By leveraging these tools, you're set to boost engagement and satisfaction. Call to action: start using BoldTrail's texting feature today. Engage your clients like never before and watch your sales soar. Let's make real estate communication more effective together.